Hello guys, welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In today's video guys, we're gonna be cooking beans, as you can see. Yeah, stay tuned guys, hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, and before we go into the video, kindly subscribe, watch and share my channel guys, and thank you so much for supporting me guys. So we have the ingredients of today. We're gonna be cooking with carrots, coriander, onion, tomatoes, paprika, coconut milk and salt and cooking oil. Yeah, so guys, without further ado, let's just dive into the video guys. And first thing we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be cooking our onion until it is golden brown. And in my video guys, I'm gonna be using white onion. Yeah, you are free to use any other onions. Yeah, so from there we're gonna go in with the rest of ingredients step by step. Yeah, it is as simple as that guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Kindly remember to subscribe, watch and share. Also comment down below what you think about this video, and also tell me what you think that I should cook next guys. Yeah, and we'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the video and thank you. I love you guys. Mwah.